Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag washer, siphon, brake elbow. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new siphon brake elbow. The siphon brake elbow is mounted on the back wall of the washer along with the siphon brake. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the washer. Now that we're on back, we're going to put a towel down to catch any water that may come out. Now that we have the towel down, we can use our 5/16 inch nut driver to loosen up the clamp so we can take the drain hose off. If you have the clamp loose, just pull the drain hose off and set it aside. With the drain hose out of the way, we can use the same 5/16 inch nut driver to take out the 4 screws that holds the siphon brake to the cabinet. Once you have those 4 screws out, we're going to use the 1/4 inch nut driver to take out the screw that holds on the upper access cover. Once you have the screw out, you can lift the cover out, and then we're going to reach up inside. You want to be careful of the edges here. You don't want to cut yourself. You just want to reach up and grab the siphon brake and get it off the siphon brake elbow. Once you have it free, you can pull the siphon brake elbow off the washer. Here's the old siphon brake elbow next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new siphon brake elbow in, we're just going to carefully put it through the hole in the back cabinet. You may have to move the siphon brake out of the way. Once you have it coming out through the back cabinet, you can line up the siphon brake on it. Once you have the siphon brake on, you just want to turn a little bit to line up the screw holes. And we can use the 5/16 inch nut driver to put the screws back in. As you tighten it down, you want to make sure all 4 holes stay lined up. Just put the rest of the screws in. Now that we have all 4 screws tightened down, we can put the access cover back on. We're just going to line it up so the square is at the bottom. You want to make sure that the square goes on the inside of the panel. You can lift it up into place. We can use the 1/4 inch nut driver to put the screw in. Once you have the access cover back on, we can put the drain hose back on. To put the drain hose on, all you have to do is lift it up onto the siphon brake elbow. Once you have it in place, you can use our 5/16 inch nut driver to tighten down the clamp so we get a good seal. Now that we have the washer put back together, you can plug it back in, turn the water on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.